Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install VLC 3.0 on Linux Mint 19.1 Cinnamon. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to right click on the desktop and then click on this open in terminal. Okay, so we have this terminal opened, and guys, after that you need to update the package lists by using this command sudo apt update and then hit enter key on the keyboard. Just provide your password, hit enter, and guys, after that we need to install snap. Okay, so for that you need to type this command sudo apt install snap d. Okay, and after that hit enter key on the keyboard. Okay, so it's now installed, and after that we need to type this command. Let me clear this. Okay, so we need to type this command sudo snap install VLC, and after that hit enter key on the keyboard. And guys, all these commands in video description, you can check it out. Okay guys, so you can see that VLC 3.0.6 from VideoLAN installed. Okay, so you can open your VLC media player from this terminal also. So just type VLC and hit enter, and you can see guys, here we have the VLC media player opened. Click on this continue button, and you can see, if I maximize this, you can see it's now opened. So let me click on this close button. Okay, and you can close this terminal, and also you can open VLC media player. So just click on this this menu button. Okay, and here we have this search applications, this box over here. Just do a search for VLC media player, and you can see here we have the VLC media player. Click on it to open it. Okay guys, it's opened, and if I click on this help in the top menu and then click on this about, you can see here we have the VLC media player 3.0 installed on Linux Mint 19.1 Cinnamon. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.